Hey everyone, it's Dirtbike Blues Part 2. It is the moment we've all been waiting for. Those guys over there, great people. So, yeah, let's get into Dirtbike Blues. I want you to only rotate me when you're coordinating. You're not gonna, don't try this at home. I'm not wearing a helmet, no shoes, no pads, no nothing.
Okay, let's get started.
Yep.
Where are we gonna start?
We're gonna start right here.
Oh, I thought we were gonna do it the opposite way.
No. Okay.
Here we go. He's gonna do a cooler stunt.
But the coolest stunt is on concrete.
He's gonna do a cooler stunt. Oh. Okay, you guys want to see it again? He's gonna do a cooler stunt. Ah!
Take 3, I guess. Don't end the video.
Okay, are we going again? Dirtbike Blues Part 2. This is funny. He's gonna do the coolest stunt. Yep, he's gonna do the coolest stunt.